Welcome to Renew Your Recipe Studio. This is Spice Rack's Secret Series, the place to uncover the mystery of spices. Today, we're going to dive into the bold journey of cloves, the flower bud that brings warmth to winter drinks, depth to savory dishes, and healing power to ancient traditions. Bay leaves don't shout, they whisper. They quietly infuse soups, stews, sauces, and stocks with a subtle depth that rounds everything out. While they may not steal the spotlight, they play a crucial background role in your favorite comfort foods. Still, many cooks wonder, what exactly do bay leaves do? To understand their quiet power, let's rewind to where their legacy began. Bay leaves come from the laurel tree, once sacred in ancient Greece and Rome. Laurel crowns were worn by poets, warriors, and emperors, a symbol of honor and wisdom. The word laureate even comes from this leafy legacy. Long before they flavored stews, bay leaves crowned the greats. So how does this honored leaf go from tree branch to soup pot? Bay trees are evergreen, aromatic, and tough. Once mature, their leaves are hand-picked and gently dried to reduce bitterness and draw out a mellow, earthy scent. The drying process curls the leaves into the form we know and gives them their signature character. A slow transformation for subtle strength, but not all bay leaves smell or taste the same. Mediterranean bay leaves are common in Western cooking, while Indian bay leaves, or tejpata, offer a spicier, cinnamon-like twist. Though they look similar, their aromas and uses are quite distinct. One fits beautifully into a stew, the other enhances biryani. Choosing the right bay leaf brings out the best in your dish. And beyond flavor, these little leaves offer something extra. Bay leaves have been used in traditional medicine for centuries. They may help soothe digestion, reduce bloating, and gently support blood sugar regulation. While not a magic cure, they add wellness to your cooking, one simmer at a time. Think of them as a soft-spoken health ally. Let's peek inside and see what nutrients give bay leaves their quiet power. Even in small doses, bay leaves pack a nutrient punch. They offer antioxidants, vitamin A, iron, and even antimicrobial essential oils. That's flavor with a function. Just one or two leaves can add both depth and defense to your dish. No wonder bay leaves have become a trusted ingredient around the world. From French stocks to Filipino adobo and Caribbean stews, bay leaves quietly make themselves at home. Even pickles benefit from their earthy edge. Across continents, they've simmered behind the scenes in kitchens for generations. Always subtle, always essential. And the story doesn't stop at the kitchen. It stretches into language and ceremony. The word bachelor actually traces back to baccalaureate, or laurel berry. In medieval times, scholars and poets were crowned with laurel wreaths as a sign of achievement. Even today, university graduates wear gowns inspired by this leafy tradition, a spice with a scholarly past. So how do we make sure bay leaves work their quiet magic just right? Use just one or two leaves per dish. They're strong. Always remove them before serving, since the texture stays tough. Store them sealed and out of sunlight to keep their oils potent. They may be quiet, but they definitely need the right stage. From flavor to folklore, bay leaves have built a quiet but lasting legacy. From the crowns of emperors to the base notes of your grandmother's stew, bay leaves have stood the test of time. They don't demand attention, but they always deliver depth, a symbol of wisdom, wellness, and warm food traditions. The quietest flavor with the richest roots. Love the subtle side of flavor? Subscribe for more delicious deep dives.
See you next bite.
This story was brought to life by Renew Your Recipe Studio, where good food meets good stories.